Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to STF vlog. So today I'm gonna speaking English because last time when I do the video about destroying the iPhone 6s with the Nerf gun, but I'm speaking Vietnamese. So my friend Asko don't understand what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna speaking English so to make everyone understand what I'm gonna do. So today I'm gonna do about this car, the remote control car. It's gonna go around in the BMX track, and this will be different because there's a camera in there. So I'm gonna show you the car right now. The car I'm gonna use today is can bounding. This is 3 mode. So first I was talking about the car. It's 4 wheel. All wheel can move, and this is the camera. And I will show you all the way when it's go down the BMX track. This is the BMX track and it's already fixed. As you can see in there, it's all fixed with the sand. So I think it will be better for this car to go in. It's can bouncing, and this material is soft. It's not hard like the other one. And this is the control, camera and camera on. This one is off. This one for on. And yeah, it's connect Bluetooth, so I can see the car when it's going anywhere. So I can see it's from here. It's control up, turn right and left and here. And yeah, it's gonna be go all around there. Hope you guys enjoy the video. So I'm gonna talking about this car. This car is connected to Bluetooth. I will show you. So this is turn on. You can see it, the light here. And yeah, I will turn on my phone for you guys see it. Like some people and does come, and as you can see in here, there's a car and this is a camera. You can see it, the view there. And now let's move on to the next one. Let's go. Don't worry, I'm gonna take it, put it back. Okay, continue, do it. So now I'm gonna video is all go all the way, and I will video like see and how it's gonna go, and cameraman will show you too. Ready? Let's go.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender it. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
So this is the end of every video because people coming up there and they practice the biking. So this one is almost over Barry, so this is enough for the video. So goodbye, hope you subscribe and like for my video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.